In this video, we will learn how to optimize Fortnite on PC. So in Fortnite, if you want to optimize it for the best performance possible, firstly all you need to do is open up your Fortnite game. After coming into the game, we need to head to the settings menu directly. So we need to click our profile picture. From here, we need to click on the gear icon, which will directly take you to our video tab. In here, we need to make sure that our window mode is set to full screen because it enables the lowest input latency and the most responsive program. After that, your resolution should be your native or lower than native, but native is recommended. VSync should be turned off. Your frame rate limit should be unlimited or bound to your refresh rate. So if the refresh rate of your monitor is 120 Hz, you need to set your FPS to 120 FPS or higher. And if you have a refresh rate of 60 Hz, you can set it to 60 Hz or higher. Locking down your FPS is a good way to save power and improve the longevity of your gaming components. After that, in rendering mode, we have to select performance or lower graphical fidelity. It will disable many of the graphical features in game to make it more responsive and easy to render. So you will receive a lot more frames per second in game. After that, you need to scroll down. In the graphical quality tab, make sure that your 3D resolution is set to in between 100% and 50%. But if your performance is not taxing, it 100% is recommended because it will let you see enemies and your allies quite better. The nanite virtualized geometry should be turned off. View distance should be whatever your preference is, but far is recommended to see the enemies from quite a far away. Texture should be on low and meshes should be on low as well. After you have changed the settings, hit the apply button and get back into the lobby. From the search panel of Windows, open up Epic Games Launcher. Now from here, head to the library section. In here, in the filters tab, search for Fortnite, which will in turn open up Fortnite. After Fortnite appears in here, click on the three dot on the bottom right hand side of Fortnite. From here, go to options. From here, make sure that high resolution textures are turned down because high resolution textures installed on your Fortnite will mean that it is using the highest resolution texture possible, which will in turn drop your FPS. After you have checked it out, you can click on apply. Now you will also need to tweak some settings from your settings of Windows in order to achieve the lag-free experience. Firstly, make sure that under the gaming section of your Windows settings and in the game mode tab, game mode is enabled. Now from here, go into the graphics tab. And in here, go into advanced graphics settings and make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on. So after changing these settings, you can enjoy a smooth and lag-free Fortnite and play the game at your own pace. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.